So let's talk more about scripts. We mentioned earlier that actors and actresses would not go on stage without a script. Well, the same is true for many call center agents. You will likely be presented with a standard script to follow. Now, this script can be formal or informal. Depending on the technology that you use, you may also need to enter data and follow prompts. Now, the script is vital to the success of your organization, and you will also likely be monitored to ensure that the script is being followed. And this is going to determine how you get scored as an agent. Call scripts are developed to help you deliver the right information to the customer, as well as to make sure that your calls are efficient. They also help the customers to have a similar quality experience on each of their calls to your center. Scripts also help to brand the company and promote their products, as well as their customer service levels. Now, following a script involves more than simply reading the lines. In order to follow scripts in a natural manner, you must first understand the script's purpose and become familiar with its flow. So let me also add that if it is within your company's policy to follow a script, then go ahead and, to follow a script somewhat informally, I should say, then go ahead and add in what's necessary in order to make the call more personable or understandable for your customer. Now, there are times that I've asked a question to the CSR and received a scripted response that didn't really answer my question or give me further understanding. So even on a formal script, it's necessary to stay conversational with your customer and not only give scripted responses. So this may be a boundary line you are not allowed to cross, but if so, there is a reason for that. So let's discuss now the different types of script technologies available. You're probably most familiar with the first one. It's on-screen scripting. Inbound call center environments use this technology the most. And it's an on-screen script that provides prompts. As the phone call comes in, your computer screen will display the appropriate lines that you must say. For example, when you answer the call, you'll see a screen that says something like, "Thank you for calling ABC Company. This is Sherry speaking. How may I help you?" Now, after greeting the customer, you will be prompted to click the next button, or an option that takes you to the appropriate script according to the customer's response. For example, if the customer responds that he would like to place an order, you click on the button for Place an Order. On the other hand, if the customer says he would like a quote, you click on the button that says Quote. Another technology that you may or may not be familiar with is flip charts. Now, these are mini flip charts that fit on your desk. And it's a low-tech scripting method that's still in use in some call centers. These are small tab notebooks, often color-coded, that allow the agent to flip to the next part of the script based on the customer's response. For example, the top page may contain the greeting, while the various tabs represent the portion of the script for placing orders, providing a quote, or gathering information. Depending on the customer's response, you would then just flip to the appropriate script. Now there's one called Call Guides and Outlines. Not all call centers require strict scripting adherence. Instead, you may be provided with an outline or a call guide. Now, these types of scripts give you a little more control over the conversation, yet also provide you with the appropriate responses, such as the key points to cover. The call remains structured, but allows you to choose your own words. Call guides and outlines promote a more natural interaction with the customer. In this next section, we'll discuss sales calls in a support center. CSRs who have the responsibility of selling products also need to handle the calls a little differently. We will soon cover how to achieve customer satisfaction and promote and sell your company's products or services. Before we go into the different types of scripts, let's go over the different types of calls that your call center may receive.